See you later. We're off on another road trip. Welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. Another different kind of video. Like I said, we're on a road trip. Not 3 hours or whatever it was last time. Just an hour and 15 minutes down this way towards London. Up a bit, we're off to Hitchin. It's the Christmas reseller meetup. This will be the third time I've been to a reseller meetup. Went to one before I even done YouTube.
It's getting busy in here. George, hey. How are you doing?
The second was 2019.
100 George £100. Do I have any advance on 100?
I wish I could.
Andrew is out. He's declared himself out. Shout now. Going once at £100. George is yours.
Well done.
I think I had like 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers. Me up in Spoons. But I'm hoping when I get there, the charity shops won't quite be shut yet. So it'll be quite an interesting investigation. Resellers from all over have sort of gathered in one little town. They're probably going to hit the charity shops like yesterday and today already. So see if anyone's missed anything. See if we can pick up 1 or 2 items before joining in. Pay for this petrol. I'll also try and film a bit when I'm at the meetup. Don't know how much footage I'll get, but yeah, we'll see. Let's go on the road. Let's get to Hitchin. Yes, I'm wearing my Bernardo's £8 find. I could maybe resell it for a bit of a profit. I've got this nice sort of denim jacket, that zip-up jacket. £8 I paid. I like it, nice and clean. I'm keeping it. There we go. £8 for a brand new jacket. Well, not brand new, but new for me. Decided to keep it. Why is it whenever I do a road trip on the channel, it rains and chucks it down? Every time. So, I've arrived in Hitchin.
In 300 yards, your destination will be on the left.
I'm driving through the middle of High Street right now. I forgot to plug in a car park, which would have been handy. But yeah, we have arrived. It is just gone 4 past, so I don't know if the charity shops shut at 4 or 5 here on a Saturday. Hopefully they don't shut till 5. So I think I'm actually going to drive past the Wetherspoons that everyone's gathered in.
Your destination is on the left.
Ah, there's the Wetherspoons. So I found the destination. Yeah, I will be going in there. We need to park somewhere. We're here. Ooh, I made it. Don't know where I'm parked. Next to a market, I think. I'm not really sure. It's 4:30 now. Let's have a quick check on the old charity shops around here then. Right, so they seem to shut at 5, so I've got half an hour. Bring the GoPro with me. Nervous, but let's get in there. Let's see what we've got. Anus Express. Pair of sandals. Nice profit. Just took a detour of Hitchin town centre, I think. Got two things, nothing special. Saw a couple of things, but passed because like shoes were very worn out on the bottoms, so it would have been hard to sell, not worth as much. We've got a pair of nice Sanders, like oxblood red type colour shoes, made in England, size 8, £6. Should be a comfortable 25 to 30 at least. So yeah, there's my petrol sorted, and I picked this up right at the end for a bit of fun. And then at the end, picked up this £4.50, size large in scope. If I can try and show you, it's like a Bacardi's alky pops type t-shirt. Don't know if a waiter or waitress would have worn this, like advertising Bacardi. But yeah, really cool. It's like a bit different, something I haven't bought before. It's only £4.50, nice and light, bit quirky. Hopefully you get 20 quid out of it. It's 5 o'clock, I'm wet. Let's get in the pub. Let's go in. Hello. I recognise some faces. Hi.
The first hey! One. Hi. George.
I just had them in my hand.
There is like a
Do some vlogging.
Alright, here we are, the meet-up. George here. There we go, Nick's here. Hello. I'm George's GoPro vlogging. Okay, pass it down.
George's camera, pass it around, say hello.
Hi George.
George's camera. Yeah, I'll go first. I'm buying
Come and have it there. Yeah. You alright now?
There goes in the law. There goes the AdSense.
There we go, back in the car, 11 o'clock at night. Reseller meetup done. My voice hurts. It was great seeing everyone. I don't think I got many clips, but yeah, it was a really good evening. Saw new faces and regular faces, YouTubers, resellers, Instagrammers, a good mix of everyone. So it's really cool to see everyone. Hopefully do it again soon. I might do my own meetup, maybe make it a summer meetup, so keep an eye on the channel. It's always good fun, everyone's always really kind, so even if you don't know anyone, if you're on your own, always come and get chatting. We're a lovely bunch. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.